I traveled to Ghana, Togo, and Benin Republic for holidays, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you what I got up to in Benin Republic. I hope you're ready for that. Speaking of which, it was my second time in the country. The first time I visited Cotonou, which is the commercial center of the country, and I stayed there for 4 days doing fun activities as well. Guys, so this is Cotonou. What Cotonou? No, Babcock. I'm in the water. That's good. Like we're in the middle of without data, without phone. No, we have phones, but there's nothing. We can't call nobody. But it's so nice. I mean, don't like that. You can check that out there at the description above and in my description box. Yeah, description above. Okay. This time around though, I wanted to do more, so I visited Cotonou and Ouidah. There were a lot of talk about slave trade in Ouidah. It was so depressing, I can't lie. Like, thinking about the pain Africans went through, it was so sad. And this is me calling all the colonizers. Y'all did not try at all. This is wrong. Don't be doing things like this. It was so sad. Like, I couldn't take a lot of videos and pictures like I normally would because it just felt so wrong. Looking at the places where they kept the slaves, people prayed, and how they got to the sea. It was so sad. I just took a little and I left. For the Python Temple, I stood outside. This is usually where people go and they put that snake or python on their neck. I was not going to do that because Ouidah is also known as the Jazz Republic of Africa, I believe. So why would I want to go to a country and go and carry their jazz or whatever, or voodoo like they call it? I'm like, no. Because why am I looking for python? People just stay in this life and they decide to look for trouble. But not me. I ain't doing that shit. So I'm going to stand outside, take few pictures, and tell you guys that I was here. Just because if there's no video, it didn't happen. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye. Okay, after Ouidah, we went straight to Cotonou where we spent the night, and this happened while we were trying to get our apartment.
There's somebody there upstairs.
Studio.
Which one is empty? Okay, that's for you. Oh yeah, which one is
I think you
this
said
one?
this is not a room. This is not a room. Maybe it's
In.
or something.
Chamber. Which one? Stop it now.
Okay.
So we're speaking English, but the staff at the hotel, they were speaking French. And it was like, It was my reminder to learn French. But once that was figured out, we all had a place to stay, thankfully. And the next day was for visiting the Amazon statue, which is in honor of the women warriors of Dahomey called Agonge. Think of the Woman King movie. I think it's now on Netflix or Prime. So if you haven't seen it, you should definitely see it. Even though the people of Benin Republic, called Beninois, yes, they're called Beninois, they feel like they weren't well represented in that movie, but it kind of like gives you an idea of women king or like woman warrior thingy. So yeah, it was nice to see the statue, and right next to that was the gravity wall, which is the longest in Africa. It just has different paintings by different people, but they're all just done so well that it looks so beautiful together. So that was really nice. And that was all we did in Cotonou before we went for ice cream. So ice cream was the last thing, and after that it was sleep and rest because the next day we're going back to Nigeria. And so this comes to the end, or we have come to the end of my travel vlog, traveling between Ghana, Togo, and Cotonou. Benin Republic. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and of course there'll be more travels to come. I'm already saving my money for another one, so make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Make sure to watch all my travel vlogs if you haven't yet, and of course stay tuned for more videos on marketing and lifestyle. Okay, and that's it for now. Corporate Girly is done with vacation for Q1. Bye guys.